Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another relaxing and easy English speaking practice video. My name is Your Name, and today I am going to help you with one of the most important parts of spoken English, self-introduction. If you are a beginner, if English feels difficult, if you feel shy or nervous when speaking, if you forget what to say, don't worry. This video is for you. You are not alone. Millions of people start from simple steps, and today you are taking your first step with me. In this video, we will go slowly, very slowly, so you can hear clearly, repeat comfortably, and understand everything easily. By the end of this video, you will be able to introduce yourself anywhere. In school, in interviews, in meetings, with new people, in travel, with foreigners, online, and in daily life. Today's lesson is going to be long, calming, simple, and powerful. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's start learning English. Section 1. Warm-up practice. Repeat after me. I want you to repeat slowly after me. Ready? My name is... I am from... I live in... I am years old. I am learning English. I want to speak English fluently. Well done. You are doing. Section 2. Basic self-introduction. Very slow. Now, I will give you a very easy introduction. Listen carefully. Then, you will repeat after me. Model introduction. Beginner. Hello. My name is Your Name. I am from your country. I live in your city. I am blank years old. I am learning English, and I practice every day. Nice to meet you. Repeat after me, word by word. Hello. Pause. My name is... Pause. I am from... Pause. I live in... Pause. I am... blank years old. Pause. I am learning English. Pause. Nice to meet you. Pause. Great job. Section 3. Dialogue Practice 1. Two people meeting. Now listen to this small conversation. I will act as both people. Dialogue 1. Hi, what's your name? My name is Amina. What about you? I'm John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now, repeat after me, slow. Hi, what's your name? My name is Amina. What about you? I'm John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Section 4. More details. Introduction. Long beginner version. Now let's make your introduction longer, but still simple. Long intro example. Hello everyone. My name is your name. I am from your country, but now I live in city. I am years old. I am learning English because I want to speak confidently and talk to people from different countries. In my free time, I like reading, cooking, watching videos, and spending time with my family. I practice English a little every day. Section 5. Dialogue Practice 2. Small Talk. Now let's practice small talk. This is very important for real life. Dialogue 2. Small Talk. Person A. Where are you from? Person B. I'm from India. What about you? Person A. I'm from Canada. Person B. Oh, nice. How long have you been here? Person A. I've been here for 2 years. Repeat after me. Where are you from? I'm from. How long have you been here? I've been here for.
Section 6. Talking about your job or studies. I am a student. I am working. I work in an office. I work at a shop. I am learning new skills. I want to grow in my career.
Section 7. Talking about hobbies. Repeat. I like reading. I enjoy cooking. I love watching English videos. I like learning new things. Repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Hello, everyone. My name is. I am from. I live in. I am. Years old. I am learning English. I want to speak confidently. In my free time, I practice every day. Thank you. Wonderful! Section 8. Full self-introduction. Natural style. Used in real-life conversations. Hello, my name is. Your name. I'm from country, and I'm years old. I live with my family, and I enjoy learning English every day. I love watching English videos, reading simple stories, and practicing speaking slowly. I want to improve my English so I can travel, work, and talk to new people confidently.
Section 9, Story Time. A simple life story, listening practice. Listen carefully, very slowly. My name is Zane. I am 26 years old. I live in a small but beautiful town. Every morning, I wake up, drink tea, and read English sentences. I practice speaking in front of a mirror. At first, it was difficult. I felt shy. I felt scared. I made mistakes. But slowly, day by day, I got better. Now I can introduce myself confidently. I am proud of myself. And you should feel proud too, because today you are practicing with me. Now repeat, one line at a time.
Section 10. Q&A Practice. You answer aloud. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? What are your hobbies?
Section 11. Advance Introduction. Slow and clear. Hello, everyone. My name is your name. I am learning English to improve my communication skills. I believe speaking English will help me grow, meet new people, and explore better opportunities in life. I enjoy reading, learning, and practicing daily. Thank you for listening. Section 12. Fluency Training. Confidence Boost. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I can introduce myself. I am learning. I am improving. I believe in myself. I will become fluent.
Great job, everyone. You completed a full English speaking practice lesson today. I am proud of you. You are growing. You are improving. You are becoming confident. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need practice. Every day, small steps, and one day you will speak fluently. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more slow and simple English lessons. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.